Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. Good morning to all of you. Hope you all are safe. Now, in this critical situation, it's very sad that a virus disease affects entire world. So, I would like to suggest you please stay at home. Please maintain the social distance. And guys, today in this video, I just want to provide you information. This is a recent job openings from Canada. So, if you want to apply in future and you can collect this information and you can apply after the normal situations will come to the society. So guys, my intention to provide you the informations. If you want, you can collect this information. After that, you can utilize this information to get a career in Canada. So guys, let's know what is the recent developments from Canada. So the first job is food service supervisor required in Canada. Job requirements, English language requirements. I'm sorry for the background sound. Education, secondary school, graduation certificates requirements, 7 months to less than 1 year experience requirements, specific skills, supervise and coordinate activities of staffs, food prepare and food, supervise and check assembly of trades, prepare food order. So it's all about the food service supervisor. If you have the previous experience, then you can apply for this job. So please collect this information. All information is available also in the descriptions below. So you can collect, you can apply as soon as possible when the normal situation will come to this one. Guys, as you can see here, this is the official email ID and the official address. You can forward your updated CV to the given official email ID. Otherwise, if you are available in Canada and if your relatives are available in Canada, you can contact by this address to apply for this job. So guys, I already told you this is a food service supervisor jobs. If you have previous qualifications and experience, of course you can apply for these jobs by sending your updated CV to given official email ID. Next, caretaker required in Canada. Language requirements English, education requirements, secondary school graduation certificates, experience no experience requirements, but the important is the specific skills. You should have the specific skills as per mentioned by the employer. The specific skills tend to emotional well-being of children, take children to and from schools and departments, supervise and care of children, sterilize bottles, prepare formulas and change defects in friends, prepare and serve nutritious meals, organize activities such as games and outgoing for children. It's all about the caretaker jobs. If you have previous experience, of course, you can apply for this job. So the requirements is children's ages 5 years. Additional skills, assume full responsibility for household in absence of parents. It's very important. When the parents will be absent and they will go their offices and duties, of course you can apply for this job and you can maintain these jobs. So guys, you can apply by sending your updated CV to given official email ID. Next, administrative assistant required in Canada. Job requirements, language English. Education requirements, Canadian schools graduation certificates, and experience requirements of 1 year to less than of 2 years minimum experience. Specific skills, type and proof correspondence, forms and other documents, schedule and confirms appointments. So guys, if you are interested to apply for this job to work as an administrative assistant, of course you can apply for this job by forwarding your updated CV to the given official email ID. So guys, if you are really interested to apply for this job, you can forward your updated CV to the given official email ID. Of course, after the normal situations will come, they will inform you about the interviews and you can attend the interview. So before you can collect this information and you can apply as soon as possible by forwarding your updated CV. Next job, construction labor and helper required in Canada. Job requirements English language requirements, education requirements, secondary high school graduation certificates or equivalent. Experience requirements, construction specializations, residential. Own tools, equipment, steel to weight, safety boots, worksite environment outdoors. Transportations, travel informations, own transportations, own vehicle willing to travel. So, if you are interested to apply for this job, please forward your updated CV to given official email ID. So guys, in this video, I already told you different job openings from Canada. This is a recent job openings. Let me tell you again what is the job profiles. What is the job openings from Canada? The first job is food service supervisor. Please focus according to the position about the qualifications and the experience. Then you can apply for this job. So according to the jobs or the position, you should have the proper qualifications and proper experience to apply for this job. Food service supervisor, then caretaker, next job administrative assistant, next job construction labor. So guys, if you are really interested to apply for any of these jobs, you can apply by forwarding your already CV and you can interact with them for the interview and all process in the future. So guys, I hope this information will be helpful for your career. So please collect this information from the descriptions below this video and apply as soon as possible as per your jobs.